So like I said, today we're just going to go over what we went over yesterday, and we're going to talk about different ways to look at similar figures. Before we start, let's review what we learned. Who can tell me what a similar figure is?
Their angles are they are congruent.
Their angles are the same. The angles are congruent. The sides are proportional. To find a missing side's value, you can make ratios, proportional ratios, and you can cross multiply and divide. Now, I want y'all to look at all of them and notice that they gave you some words. This one says triangle ABC, and this little symbol here means is similar to triangle XYZ. Now on number 1, they're facing the same direction, so it's very easy to see the corresponding sides, yes? But look at number 3. Are they facing the right direction? I am going to help y'all set up number 3, and number 4 is just like it, okay? So that y'all will know how to do it. So everybody look at number 3. How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
So 3 highlighters would be really good for this one. A comes first and then B, so I'm going to highlight AB orange. XY comes first and the second one, which means what? What does that mean? That it is corresponding with AB. So I'm going to highlight XY the same color because they are corresponding. Are we okay with this? All right, I am now going to highlight BC. I'm going to do green. And what is going to correspond with BC over here? YZ. A comes first, C comes last, so AC go together, and they correspond with XZ. Now, on number 1 and 2, you are solving for what? X. So if y'all look, you're solving for X on number 1. On number 2, you're also solving for X. That means on number 1, how many numbers did they give you on this smaller triangle? Are you going to need all of them? No, you have to use the side that goes with X. So I have to use the 6. I probably can't use this one because there's no number here. So I'm not going to use, but I will use 25 and 10. Does that make sense? Now look at number 3. Number 3, you are solving for 2 different answers. You're going to solve for X and you're going to solve for Y. So tell me what I need to do. I'm going to have 2 boxes. I'm going to have 2 different problems. Do one at a time. Okay? I'm not going to do this for you, but I'm going to set it up for you. Okay? All right. I am going to solve for X first. What color on mine do I have to use if I'm solving for X? Orange. I have to use orange. And what color can I not use? Blue. I can't use blue because why? I have no idea what Y is. It's not going to help me. So I have to use orange and green. I am going to do orange over green. So if I did orange over green, what's my first ratio?
34 over 30.
34 over 30 equals orange over green again. X over 15. Now, before you solve that, could you simplify 34 over 30?
Yes.
For sure, because they're both even numbers. They can always be divided by 2. Okay, now I'm not going to solve that for you. That's how you're going to solve for what? X. Now let's go set up one for Y. Which ones do I have to use for Y? Blue. So I'm going to do blue over, what's the other one I'm going to use?
Purple, green.
I'm going to use green because mine's green. All right, so I'm going to do blue over green. So what's my first ratio going to be? 16 over 30 equals Y over 15. And I am going to solve that ratio for Y. How many answers will I have for number 3? I will have one answer that says X equals the answer, and one answer that says Y equals the answer. Number 4 also has you solving for X and Y. 1 and 2, you're just solving for X. Are we okay on those? Now go down to number 5 and 6 and tell me what you see.
They have multiple lines.
They're triangles within each other. So everybody look at how to read this. So everybody look at number 5. It says triangle JKL. So everybody find JKL. What triangle is that one? The big one. Is similar to triangle GKH. So here's GKH. Are y'all ready for what I would do?
No.
I would draw them by themselves. I would not try to highlight on top of each other. So I would draw the small triangle, GKH. So here's going to be GKH. Now my picture's not going to be perfect, and that's okay.
But it's better.
So here's GKH, and I have, what numbers am I going to put with it? 6 between G and K, and X between G and H. Are we good? Now I'm going to draw the big triangle. What is it going to be? JKL. So this is going to be JKL. And I'm going to label these with the numbers I need to label them. What is J to L?
4. No, shoot. 15.
15. What is J to K?
4. 10.
It's 10. You had to add this plus this for all of it to be J to K, which is 10. Now can I highlight corresponding sides to solve for X? It would definitely be easier than trying to manipulate this picture within a picture. Does that make sense? Okay, so does everybody know how to do the front? Okay, go to the back. We're going to use similar figures, which is similar triangles, to solve for the missing information. Now, you can draw a picture if you want. You don't need to. Or you can make a box. All right, let's set up number 7 together. A giraffe is 18 feet tall and casts a shadow that's 12 feet tall. What do they both say?
Tall.
They both see feet. So I can't label feet. Are y'all with me? One is a what?
Shadow.
And the other one's a giraffe, but I'm doubting the next one's also going to be a giraffe, so let's read. Corey cast a shadow, that's definitely going to be used, shadow, of 4 feet. How tall?
Tall and shadow.
Tall and shadow. Does it matter which one I put first? No. I'm going to do tall and shadow. So what's going to go on top for tall? 18. What's going to go on bottom?
12.
Now, do I need to leave space to simplify?
Yes.
So I'm just going to move my line over where I have space. Corey cast a shadow of 4 feet. So where will that go?
Bottom.
At the bottom for shadow. How tall is Corey? So what am I going to put here? Could I use a different variable? I could use T for tall, I could use Y, I could use whatever I want, but I'm going to use X. All right, can I simplify 18 over 12?
5, 6.
I could simplify by 2, or I could simplify by 6. I always want to go with the biggest thing I can. So I'm going to divide by 6. What's 18 divided by 6? 3. What's 12 divided by 6? 2. Now I'm looking for the pattern. If I don't see a pattern, I have to cross multiply and divide. 2 to get to 4 is times 2. So 3 to get to x is also times 2. So my answer is not x equals 6 because this is a word problem. It is 6 feet tall. All right, do you have any questions on how to do these?
No.
You have the rest of the period. You should be able to finish most of this today. I am here if you need any help at all. You can also talk to your elbow partner if you just want to compare and say, is this what you got? And if you're still confused, absolutely raise your hand so I can get you some help. Yes? All right, you may get started.